Hello, welcome to English for Construction again. Here I am with the new day. Welcome back. And today we're going to start with the day number 30, contract relevant. Okay, let's start. Variation order is an alteration to the scope of works in a construction contract in the form of an addition, substitution, and omission from the original scope of works. The client issued the variation order yesterday. Interim payment, an amount of money that is paid before the total amount of money owed is decided. The contractor submits the third interim payment document to the client. Cost overrun, the fact of spending more money on a project than was planned in the budget, or the actual extra amount that is spent. Most of their projects run to the deadline without cost overrun. Addendum, extra information added at the end of a report, letter, contract, etc. The owner and the contractor must sign an addendum for the design change. Contract liquidation, the act of ending something. All the parties sign up the contract liquidation minutes after discussion. Variation order, interim payment, cost overrun, addendum, contract liquidation. The client issued the variation order yesterday. The contractor submitted the third interim payment document to the client. Most of their projects run to the deadline without cost overrun. The owner and the contractor must sign an addendum for the design change. All the parties sign up the contract liquidation minutes after discussion. Okay, fantastic. Remember to do what you do. And don't forget to click subscribe button below to learn more. And I will see you next time.